video na to, pag-uusapan natin yung kung ano ang kaibahan ng induction motor saka synchronous motor. So, unang difference ng dalawang ito, yung working principle nila. Sa synchronous motor, it works in principle of magnetic locking. So, sa synchronous motor, two magnetic exist in the synchronous motor. One of the stator and yung isa naman sa rotor natin. Ang rotor field change the magnetic field due to the rotation of the rotor in a synchronous speed. So,